It's about to end automatically. Now I'm just going to wait a few seconds until the fan turns off and the noises stop. Alright, now after I open it, I would take my food out, whatever, and nothing works. And it will remain completely non-functional for the next 7 to 8 minutes, after which time nothing changes, but finally if I remove the basket, then it resets. But I have to wait 7 or 8 minutes. Or I can unplug it and plug it back in, and that also works to reset it. But obviously I would like to be able to use it immediately. Thank you.